Let me show you how I made this my cute, beautiful, easy to go natural hairstyle that you can make within 3 minutes. You are done and you are good to go, and it makes you look so beautiful. Let's dive right into this video.
Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time of seeing my video, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Diary of a Hair Lover, a channel where you get to learn more about hair styling, hair care products, hair installation, and many more. Do where to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, and also let me know in the comment section if this is your first time of seeing my video so I can give you a shout out in my next video.
After combing out my hair, this is the first thing I'll be doing. I'll be bringing out a base, just a little part of your hair in front. That is the base, not too much and not too big. Not too big and not too small, just little parts, and you can cut it out in any shape you want. This is the shape I'll be working on, and I'm just going to twist that out. That is, we've gotten the base, and we'll move on to the next, which is the back. There's nothing much. This hairstyle is very easy, very simple, very fast, nothing much, nothing extra. It's just a simple hairstyle that people don't really put eye into, but it's actually a game changer. If you are on your natural hair era, this hairstyle is the best for you. Even if your hair is not natural hair, if you put relaxer in your hair, whatever, like mine, you can do this hairstyle. It's a good to go hairstyle. So I'm just going to comb. After using a big comb, I'm taking a small brush. That brush helps to make the hair slip down, and I'm going to use the brush to slip back my hair from the front, slip it upward from the back, and pack it together like this. Then I'm going to get a long rope. Normally, some people use rubber band or any band, but this long rope help me hold this hair firm and tight. It packs all the hair and hold it firm and tight. So once I'm done tying the rope, I'm just going to twist out the upper part of my hair, that's excess showing up there. So I'm just going to weave it out and tuck it in just like this, because I'll be attaching something to it. If you're on your natural hair, then you're good to go. Your hair will just do that. But because the tip of my hair is stretched, is long, is straight, I'm just going to attach this afro stuff to it. So I'm just going to go with my edge control, and I'm going to use it to slick back my hair from the front. If you want to do baby hair, it's fine. You can do your baby hair with this. You can do your baby hair, but I'm not really doing baby hair. So I'm just going to use it to slip it backward and make sure my edges is divine. I'm using this to divine my edges. As you can see, make it come out more nice, more beautiful. And that is just what I really need and what I really want at that moment. And it will make you look more beautiful as well. So look at the edges. Look how nice it came out. Then I'm just going to do the same to the back of the hair, so it can slip it down. It can make it look nice, look neat, and your hair is just going to come out really nice. Most people would think you do maybe packaging or something, because it's going to come out really nice. So this is the afro wig I'll be putting on, afro pony rather, afro bunny hair. So this is just it. I put my shining serum on it. I use my hand to just scatter it, just brush it out, and I attach it to my hair. And this is what it's looking like. As you can see, it's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. And then the base that we left out, so I'm just going to put my edges on it to slip it down as well. After putting my edges, I'm just going to comb it out or brush it out, whatever. So after doing that, I'm just going to twist it tighter than the way I twisted it before. So I'm just going to twist it tight like this, and that's just it. You can see, very simple, straightforward, fast, and easygoing hairstyle. Look at this hairstyle. It's so beautiful, so nice. And this is me after doing my makeup. I look so gorgeous. I look natural. I look beautiful. So that's just it for the hairstyle. See you on the next one. Bye.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video, do where to click on the subscribe button, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and also drop a comment in the comment section. Don't forget, if this is your first time of seeing my video, let me know in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in my next video. Bye.